Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your posts analytics or other people's analytics as well. Like the engagement, I guess. Now you can't see likes, but you still can see like reposts and like comments, obviously. So select the like post that you want to see the analytics. Just select this, which is view engagements. Oh, wait, it's not there, sorry. Select the three dots, view post engagements, and you'll be able to see quotes as well as reposts here, like who reposted this tweet. And that is it. Same with this one, view post engagements. You'll be able to see reposts. I think you can see the likes of your own post. I'm not quite sure yet, but oh no, you can't. Okay, so only reposts and quotes. So there's none on mine, obviously, but that is pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.